Hi, my name is Jon Schneider. I'm the owner of hdrental.com, and we're a rental company in the Los Angeles area. And we specialize in renting camera support gear, like this Vinten Quattro Pedestal standing right next to me, and all the other support gear that goes along with it, such as Sachtler fluid heads, Vinten cam heads, track dollies, auto cue teleprompters, and much more. We ship anywhere in the United States and Canada, and we guarantee that the equipment you rent from us will arrive on time, in perfect working order, complete with all the necessary parts and accessories. Today I'm going to review the Vinten Quattro SL pedestal. This pedestal is on loan from Transfilm, who is an authorized dealer and service center for Vinten products, as well as O'Connor, Sachtler, and Anton Bauer, and many other products. Vinten makes three Quattro models, the L, the OBL, and the SL. The Quattro line of pedestals are mainly designed for studio use. The SL is the smallest and least expensive model of the Quattro line. The Quattro SL has a load capacity of 174 pounds, and the four-stage column is only 19 inches high at its lowest point, raising to 59 inches at its highest point. Since all Quattro models have four-stage columns, they have extremely smooth and stable travel. The Quattro SL features a smaller base than the other Quattro models, allowing it to easily track through small spaces. Like all other Vinten pedestals, the Quattro is extremely easy to operate. After securing your camera rig to the Quattro, we're using sandbags here, charge the Quattro in a locked position to a minimum of 100 psi from a nitrogen bottle with regulator and attached hose. We supply a nitrogen bottle, regulator, and hose when you rent from us. Apply downward pressure while unlocking the pedestal. Balance the weight of your camera rig by releasing or adding nitrogen, or adding weights. You are now ready to shoot. The Quattro SL provides the ability to steer the pedestal with one wheel or crab with all three wheels. We hear from our clients that the Quattro SL is very popular among multi-camera cinema-style sitcoms, mainly because of the smaller base, which allows for easy maneuvering in small spaces. But more importantly, DPs and ACs have told us they like them because they can put two Quattro SLs close together while simultaneously shooting both medium and close-up shots. When you need an extremely smooth and stable camera support system that can hold up to 174 pounds, we highly recommend the Vinten Quattro pedestals. There really is no other product available on the market that compares with the Quattro's features and capabilities. If you're interested in purchasing any of the models of the Vinten pedestals, please give George a call at Transfilm in Burbank, California. If you own a pedestal and you need quality service with fast turnaround time, again, call George at Transfilm. If you need to rent a Vinten pedestal, please call me, Jon Schneider, at hdrental.com. And thanks for watching this video.